Riding a motorcycle is one of life's greatest joys. The thrill of exhilaration, the wind rushing by, the hum of the engine beneath you, and the open road stretching ahead. It's a profound sense of freedom and connection to the world around us. But with this joy comes the responsibility to master the skills that ensure both our safety and the full enjoyment of the ride. Imagine this. You're approaching an intersection with a sharp turn at the top of a steep incline. Without the right skills, this situation can feel overwhelming. Think back to a time when you faced a challenge just like this. How did you respond? Were you unsure of your slow speed control, hesitant, and perhaps even drop your bike in the middle of an intersection? Or were you ready, excited to put your skills to the test, handling it with confidence and control? The same situation can trigger two entirely different responses, depending on how prepared you are. Without practice, it's easy to feel embarrassed, frustration, and the urge to avoid these challenges altogether, limiting your riding experience and adding unnecessary anxiety. But it doesn't have to be that way. When you're prepared, you'll approach these obstacles with power and mastery, turning what once felt daunting into an exciting opportunity. That's the kind of ride that makes the journey even more thrilling. The reality is, our skills don't magically rise to meet the demands of a situation. They fall to the level of our habits, which are built through consistent practice. And here's how those habits are created. Regular practice in a safe, controlled environment, like an empty parking lot, lets us push our limits without the risk of the open road. Through repetition, we refine our techniques, ensuring that we develop good habits and avoid bad ones. After all, bad habits always seem to show up at the worst possible moments. You might think slow speed drills and parking lot exercises are unnecessary for the real world riding. But the truth is, these skills are invaluable. They prepare you to handle the unexpected, navigate tight spaces with ease, and ultimately make you a smoother, more confident rider. In one of our most recent practice sessions, we had riders in their 20s with their adventure and dirt bikes, and us in our 60s with Rich's nimble Fat Boy and our massive touring bikes. What brought us all together? A shared goal: to challenge ourselves, build our skills, and have a ton of fun in the process. Watching everyone approach each exercise in their own way, but with the same focus on slow speed techniques, was incredibly inspiring. It wasn't just about technical mastery. It was about pushing boundaries, supporting one another, and growing together as riders. The payoff? More confidence, smoother rides, a deeper connection to your bike. When you practice with purpose, you ride with confidence. You stop avoiding those tough situations like hairpin turns, tight spaces, or gravel roads. And instead, you look for opportunities to apply your skills. It's a total game changer. And here's the best part. You'll start to fear your motorcycle less and enjoy the ride so much more. So whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, I challenge you to make regular practice a part of your routine. Find your limits in a safe space, build the skills you'll rely on when it matters, and elevate your experience on the road. Because riding isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about growing as a rider and discovering just how much fun you can have when you're truly in control. Come on out and practice with us. Things are picking up. It's good weather to practice in too. So we've added in Wednesdays, and now we have Saturdays and Wednesdays. So no excuses. During the week, on the weekend, there's time to practice.